If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. Traders, this is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Spider S&P 500 ETF Trust with the ticker symbol SPY. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So the last time I looked at the SPY was back on Sunday the 15th. So I put a vertical line on where I left off, and we will continue analyzing what has happened since. So you can see that I believe we wanted to pull back to that 410 level, but we came up short. We came up to the 408 level, so we almost got a test of this breakout level, but you can see that the bears were stronger and we could not even pull back all the way up to this gap to fill it. There was a gap at this 411 level and we could only partially fill it. So Tuesday was kind of like a neutral day. We kind of traded sideways. Monday was a neutral day. We traded sideways. Tuesday was a pop up. We almost filled in the gap and tested the breakout at this 411 level, but we came up short. You can see that Wednesday was a massive drop. Thursday was a little bit more sideways action, but still a drop nonetheless. And then Friday was a new low. We made a new low in the SPY, but you can see that the bulls brought the market back up in the last, I guess you could say, hour or two of the trading session. So it closed not bullish, not bearish. It's just neutral bar. So why or where are we going next? So looks like we still have this downtrend channel in play. Tuesday confirmed it because we got rejected from it. That's why we cannot pull back further up. You see that right there. We got hit from the resistance side of the channel and we cannot pull back higher, and that's why we started seeing more sell-off. But the bulls brought the market up and the bears could not close below this prior low. They did trade below it. The price did trade below it, but we cannot close below it. So it does show a little bit of strength for the bulls. But I don't think this is the bottom. Doesn't look like it. We still have this EMA kind of curling over and starting to point down and acting as overhead resistance. We still have this aggressive channel working lower, this yellow channel working lower. So there still are a lot of strong signs for why we should continue lower. So I was expecting price to pull back to this 411 level, but we almost got there, but you can see that the bears were stronger. We cannot pull back up there. So where are we going next? Well, the measured move target that I had has already played out. You can see that this was the first leg down right here, and then we started the second leg, and right when we hit the second leg, we're starting to see a little bit of buying and prices stalling out right around this 392 level, but we're not really seeing any bounces from it. We're not seeing any impulse to the top side, so that's not a good sign. We don't want to be hanging around this level, so that could mean we could be falling lower. So is there another measure move I can use? Well, not really. Maybe I can use a more recent one, maybe something like this. If this was laid down right here and I drag this over, this is a potential second leg, and this target, as long as we don't go above the 430 level, holds, and it's right at the 373 level. So that would be my next target that prices are probably trying to reach. So let's put a horizontal line there. It does make sense because there is some strong prior support at this level too in the past. So I expect more downside in the future. We could either continue to trade with inside of this aggressive downtrend channel, maybe something like this, or we could either break it and maybe pull back up to this 410 level, 411 level, but even then we could probably find resistance and still trend down lower. So I believe there's still a long road for the bulls to reverse the market. It does look like the bears are in control, and there are multiple factors why we should continue lower. So I think the next target that the short seller is going to try to reach is the 373 target. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for the SPY, and you can see that we had several down weeks of selling. So several weeks that are red. You can see that every week we have been trading since pretty much the first week of April, we've been going down in price. The price action has been closing lower and lower. So it's not a good sign. We've been working inside of this micro or very slim channel. So it looks like they want to drop the market quickly and reach these price targets. So the next one is at that 373 level. And then we got to look at the probably the 350 level. That's another one that price action can reach. But as right now, I don't see any reversal signs. We are still trading inside this micro channel, and every week has been lower than the prior week since the first week of April. So I was expecting the previous week, this week right here, the 9th of May, the candle close, to maybe reverse prices and get the break of this yellow channel. But you can see that we just trapped in a bunch of longs. If you entered right above that candle bar, next week traded lower and stopped you out. So that's what happens when you try to pick a bottom, especially since we still have this micro channel in play. So looks like they want to continue dropping down the market. I don't really see any reversal signs, but I'll give you guys an update next week on what has happened. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.